This type of COVID ventilator is referred to as a negative pressure ventilator, or NPV. A commercially available NPV is the Hank ventilator. I am a 71-year-old American engineer living in the country of Mali in Africa. At the outbreak of COVID, Mali had only 3 ventilators for a population of 18 million people. This ventilator can be made from locally sourced parts found in Africa. It comprises 3 components. There is a vacuum pump, a chest plate, and a control device such as a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. The vacuum pump uses 12-volt car motors so that the whole system can be powered by a battery in the event of a power failure. You can see the action of the negative pressure on a person's respiratory system as evidenced by the rising and falling of the chest and diaphragm area of the person. In this test, the tidal volume target is 500 milliliters using a maximum negative pressure of minus 60 centimeters of water. The inhale duration is 2 seconds and the exhale duration is 3 seconds. We will offer it as a free, open source design to be replicated anywhere in the world.